All right, hey seventh grade. I had to go home unexpectedly because I'm not feeling so good. I'm going to kind of touch base with you about what you're going to be doing today. So here is your agenda. I'll show you the video clip tomorrow, but I want you to. I was going to read aloud chapter 3 because I don't think everybody got done with that. But if you would um, today either listen to that or read that, and if you want to go into chapter 4, that's fine too. And then I want you in your flip book to keep up with vocab and guided reading questions, but I also would like for you to go to the characters tab and start filling out some of the information on there, especially of the greasers that we've met so far. So Pony Boy and let's for sure today do Pony Boy, Soda Pop, and Dairy. So you're going to be giving some physical description, some personality traits, and anything important you think has happened with them so far in the story. Um, yeah, so I think that will work great if you guys can do that today, and then we'll kind of catch up tomorrow um, together. So thank you for being flexible and being kind to the guest teacher, and I will hopefully see you guys on Tuesday.